All right, guys, we're going to be making avocado toast with leftovers that are in your fridge, so let's get to it. So we're going to start by buttering your bread and toasting it in the oven or in a toaster oven or a toaster, whatever you want. And then we're going to take our bacon. I used a pepper crusted bacon, and we're going to put brown sugar on it and honey. And so you're going to put the brown sugar on, and you're just going to press that into the bacon and then drizzle honey all over the top. And you're going to bake this in the oven for 10 minutes at 350. This is the only way I cook bacon anymore, is like oven roasted. It's so good. So I have leftover mushrooms, so we're going to cut up our mushrooms and cut up some of our leftover onion, and we're going to saute those. So we're going to saute the onions for about 2 minutes on their own, and then we're going to add in the mushrooms after that, and then we're going to add in just a little bit of butter, and then like stir, basically just pan fry all of that until it's completely like you want it to be fully cooked. You want your onions to be soft, and you want it to look like this. There we go. So once your bacon is done, we're going to take it out of the oven, let it sit, and then we're going to cut it up into small pieces. Take a full avocado, and we're going to just smash the avocado onto our piece of toast. And I did do a full avocado. I love avocado, so that's why. Next, we're going to add our mushrooms, our onions, and then we're going to I transferred it to another plate, but we're going to put our bacon on top of that. And then I had some Parmesan. So you're just going to put some salt, pepper, Parmesan, and then Tabasco sauce. And that's it, guys. This was amazing. So tasty, super easy. I just had it with an orange, and it honestly was super, like, filling enough for me. But if you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe. Daily Recipes Co. is our website if you want to see any other recipes on there. But otherwise, bon appetit, y'all.